Hi, I'm Ray. So today we're growing some sweet peas, and we're in the autumn and it's a great time to get your sweet peas in, and these will could sit in the greenhouse all throughout the winter and give us some good blooms and an early start. So a good idea is to grow your sweet peas in root trainers, and these are deep trays and they can have nice long roots all the way through. And there's various sizes. We've got this big cell tray with this deep long roots, and that takes quite a bit of compost. And we've got some smaller cell trays that just clip together, which makes a nice grooves for the roots. If we don't have the long rooted cell trays, then find a cell tray that's got a deep as what we can, as you can find, and that will do just as well. So I'm going to take our root trainer, and we've got our seeds, and we're just going to fill it up with some compost. We just knock out all the blocks. Fill in all the cells. Fill it up. Knock out all the blocks. Overfill, that's fine. We don't want to be compressing it. And then we just give it a couple of knocks. And there we go. So then we take our sweet pea seeds, and we're going to put one seed in every cell. And once they've grown, they can be individually separated and put in their final pots. So I'm just adding them on top of the compost. I'm not pushing them in, because if we push them in, then there's a high chance that they can push themselves back out again. Once all the seeds are in the cells, we just get our compost, and making sure there's no lumps, just cover thinly over the top. There we go, tidy it up. And then we're going to give it a water. This is going to sit in the greenhouse. And once the seedlings appear, they can be planted in the summer and have a lovely display of sweet peas. So let me know in the comments, have you grown sweet peas? And do you start your sweet peas in the autumn, or do you start yours in the spring? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be great. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So there we go, sweet peas planted in autumn. Cheers!